Hi guys, Miss Mingus here. I am here to talk to you about another app that can help you in the Learning Commons. This one's called MackinVia. It's located on your Lex One Launchpad. Now, what does MackinVia do? It lets you read ebooks and audiobooks. What's an ebook? Well, an ebook is a book you read on your device, like your Chromebook. Now, you may say, well, that sounds okay, but I'd really rather read it on my iPad. You can do that. All you have to do is go to the App Store if you have an iPad and download that app. I'm going to go ahead and click on MackinVia to give you an idea of what it looks like. You'll find that we have lots and lots of your favorite books, like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dork Diaries, and lots of graphic novels, mysteries, scary books, you name it, we have it. It's just basically another way to read a book. And it comes in handy if you are at home and you don't have any books around. Or maybe you're like me and you just like to read a book on an iPad. Okay, my screen looks like this. Your screen would probably look similar. Now let's say you don't know what you want to read. Maybe something funny, maybe something scary or mysterious. What should you do? Should you scroll all through these 700 books? Well, if you had a lot of time, you certainly could. Should you use the search box? Well, you don't really know what you're looking for, so there's a better way. Come over here to categories. I like categories because it breaks down books into different topics, such as adventure, animals, graphic novels, all kinds of fun things. I'm going to click on graphic novels. I have an interest in that. Now, we've got a whole bunch of books here. As you can see, it goes all the way down. I'm interested in, let's see. I'm interested in this All's Fair book. I like how the cover looks, but I'm not really sure what it looks. I'm not really sure what it's about. Should I check it out? Is there any way to find out what it's about without checking it out? Well, if I hover over it, I'll see the letter I in a circle. I'm going to click on that. That is going to tell me what this particular book is about. And right here is a synopsis. It's about a girl that's been homeschooled and now she's going to a Renaissance fair. Sounds kind of interesting. So I might decide, you know what? I think I want that one. So what should I do? Should I click open now? I could. It will open up the book, but that book will not be checked out to me. I can browse through it, but what happens is that someone else may come along and click the checkout button and you'll lose access to the book. So what you want to do, when you find a book you want to click the checkout button. I clicked it. It gives me a little message. It says it expires in 13 days, 23 hours. If I wanted to return it, I could just click return. Now, you may say, okay, I checked it out. Where is it? What do I do? On my screen, I have a clipboard right here. I'm going to click on that. You may have something similar like a notebook or a backpack. I'm going to click checkout. It's going to show everything I have checked out. I have the book checked out right here. So what I'm going to do, what I would do, I would click open now and I can start to read the book. I'm going to go back to all resources, going to go back to my main screen. I wanted to point out little open book here means it's an ebook. If you see earbuds there, it means it is an audiobook. It's a book you listen to. And you could go through the same process. Click the letter I, find out what it's about. You could check it out, or you could click listen now. That is how you check out ebooks and audiobooks on our MackinVia app. Thanks for listening.